ready to bed down, so they come up this time of evening. There's one already up on the roost, because now that it's getting dark faster, it's about, what, 4 now? And when it's getting dark faster, oh, look who's on guard. They are so funny. The Silkies are the most personable. And that's Renegade. And see, they just get right there by the cat. They're getting where they've gotten so used to her. Yeah. You guys through munching? Huh? You through munching? Okay, now they're together. Okay, that is Erykah Badu and Macy Gray. This is Erykah Badu. She has the bigger puff, and that's Macy Gray. They're the boldest little things, and they're hens, Silkies.